Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Solution Center. In today's video, we want to solve JAMB UTME physics past question and we are picking electricity. Electricity is a very important topic in physics. There is no JAMB exams you write without seeing electricity question. Make sure you watch this video to the end, subscribe and share it with your friends. Don't forget, we want to simplify physics in a way that wherever you see it, you can do it yourself. Let's begin with question number 1. In an AC circuit, the instantaneous current is 7 ampere. What is the root mean square value of the current? Now, this is an alternating current. AC means alternating. And for a root mean square current, the relationship with instantaneous current is peak current divided by square root of 2. And they gave us 7. 7 divided by square root of 2. This will give us 4.96. Looking at the options, we have 5 ampere. Question 1a. Question number 2. What is the inductance reactance of a coil of 7H when connected to a 50H AC circuit? Inductance reactance is simply 2 pi FL. We have our 2 pi. They gave us frequency as 50 times the inductance 7. Let's put it in our calculator. 2 pi times 50 times 7 give us 2199. This is equivalent to 2200 ohms. That is option A. Let's go to question number 3. From the above circuits, calculate the impedance. So this is like the question after the one we just did. So this is, we say impedance, we use Z to represent impedance, equal to square root of resistor squared plus inductor squared. Here we were not given the inductance reactance. We will find it before we put it in this formula. So this will give us 2 pi FL. That is 2 pi times 50 times L. On the diagram is 0.5. We have here 157.08. Now that we have gotten our inductance, we can take it to the equation. Z equal to square root of resistor is given to us as 45. 45 squared plus 157.08 squared. This will give us 26699, and that gives us 163.5. That is B. Question number 4. A refrigerator uses 150 watts if it is kept on for 336 hours non-stop. What is the energy consumed in kilowatt hour? You can see they gave us kilowatt hour. This is what for you to change from watt to kilowatt, you will divide it by 1000. That K means 1000. So this is the same thing as 0.15 kW. Now the question is, what is the energy consumed in kilowatt hour? That will be the energy times the time it consumes. So 0.15 times 336. So we have here 50.40 kilowatts hour. Question number 5. A particular household utilizes 3 electrical appliances for 6 hours. Then if the appliances are rated 80 100 and 120 respectively. Calculate the electrical bills paid monthly if an average month is 31 days. 1 kilowatt hour costs 24 naira 8 kobo. Now, for us to find this, we will first know the total power used. So total power will be 80 plus 100 plus 120. That will give us 300 watts. Now, the next thing, we will convert 300 watts to kilowatts. So this will give us divided by 1000, and we have 0.3 kilowatts. The next step will be the number of days. We have 31 days, and each day is 6 hours. So we will have 31 days times 6 hours. That will give us 186 hours. Energy is power times time. We will find 0.3 times 186, and that will give us 55.8. So the cost of consumption will be the total energy times amount, which is 55.8 times 24.08, and that will give us 1343.66. Our answer there is C. I spent time to explain for your understanding. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Number 6, an electromagnetic induction. In electromagnetic induction, the generated electricity is actually a voltage called dash. Electromagnetic induction makes use of a coil and a magnet. They generate electricity known as induced EMF from the effect of the magnetic field. The answer is A. Number 7. Which of the following is a basic unit? Basic units are fundamental units. Fundamental units, example, kilogram, second, ampere. The only basic units that we have is ampere. Take notes. Part 8. Assuming E1, E2, E3 are equal, then the total EMF of the arrangement will be given by dash. Now, when electricity are connected in parallel, they will share the same EMF. So the answer will be E equal to E1 equal to E2 equal to E3. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Question number 4. The electrical power developed in the resistor above is dash. Here they gave us 16 volts. They gave us 2 ohm. We have 3 major formula for power. Power equal to IV. And we also know that I for Ohm's law is V over R. Remember Ohm's law. So if we put it there, we have P equal to V squared over R. Here we have V and we have R. This will give us 16 squared over 2. And this will be 128 watts. The next question. A rectifier is a device that changes dash to dash. In the first place, what is a rectifier? A rectifier is a special semiconductor. We call it a diode. A diode allows currents to flow in one direction, called forward biasing. In reverse, it doesn't allow, so we call backward biasing. So it is a rectifier that changes alternating currents to direct current. When we say something alternating, means that it moves like this. So a diode will not allow the reverse. Because of that, it only allows the up, that is half wave rectification. For full wave rectification, whereby we use more than one diode, that one will allow something like this. So the answer will be AC to DC. We come to the end of our question for today. Kindly drop your comments. Let me see which question do you want me to solve in electricity. Drop it. I will definitely solve it for you when I am solving other questions. See you in our next video.